Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for science and educational choice business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, now as you see, you can start with such AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. uh, and also you can set up without AI, so you can go to basic setup. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, now you can enter your business type, science and educational choice. Okay, now you can select your business type. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now you can add your business name. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital products or services? So this is depends on your business. What would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you want to Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna get started from here. Okay, wait a few seconds. Now you can enter your information, your business name, your email and your address and your phone, and also you can add a social link. Okay, let's continue. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive, to to pull more customers to your website. So don't forget the simple details like the fonts and like the themes to make your site look attractive. Now let's continue. Okay, now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, you can choose your favorite one. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now you can add pages to your site. Also you can skip all this and customize them later. Now you wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. Okay, so as you see here, this is the editor page. Here you can add elements, you can add sections, you can add pages and menus, you can customize the site design, you can add apps, you can manage your business. So first of all, if you want to add elements, you can just start from the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Here if you want to upload emails, import emails. Also if you want to customize the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons. Here we have the decorative, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. And here we have the, if you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Just select your style and your favorite design. Here you can customize your site design, you can customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background and the page transitions. So let's move on to the first section. Here we have the header section, so you can do a quick edit. So for example, you can change the site name, you can edit it. Also you can change the strip background, you can manage the menu. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the welcome section. You can change the section background, the strip background. Also you can change this image right here as a strip background. And if you want to change the title and the paragraph, just click on it. For example, if you want to change this paragraph right here, just click create AI text, and you have to describe what you want in your text, and select the type of this section. For example, this is a welcome section, and you have to insert something. You have to insert information to include here, and it's gonna create it for you easy and quickly. So that's it. You can make it shorter, you can generate another one. So that's it. If you want to also edit the text, you can just click here, and you can select your favorite style, you can select your favorite font. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So this is the product section, so you have to create your product. So to do that, you have to manage first your product, so you can add new product. You can select your type of your product, physical type or physical product or digital file. Okay, okay, now you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos, and also you can add the product information, the name and the description, and also you can customize the price and options, the price, and also you can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. You can customize and manage the inventory and the shipping. Okay, so after you're done, you can just save this place and go back to editor to complete design. So let's move on now to the next section, about section. So this is about section. As you see here, if you want to create another AI text, the same thing as normal. You have just to describe what you want in your text, and you can just select the type of the section, and it's gonna create it for you easy and quick. Okay, also if you want to change the color or the strip background, you can change the color or change as image. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. This is the code section. So as you see, you can change the code. Just create AI text and describe what you want in your text. Like this is the same thing as normal. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, let's change the section background. Okay, and if you want to change the image right here, just click on it and you can search whatever you like on the search. Now you can just search whatever you like. Educational choice. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. Let's move on now to the next section. So this is the footer section, the last section of the website. So you can just customize and edit your email and the company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop before you go live. And also you can save this editor page from here. So that's it. After you're done, you can just publish your website and you can start your business and start live, start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.